Alright, here we go. Did the test with the 6.5 Grendel versus the 223 on the deep penetration. Well, now we're going to hit the 6.5 Grendel up against the 243. See which one holds out. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. We're going to do a deep penetration. Did the 6.5 Grendel versus the 223. So now we're going to do the 6.5 Grendel versus the 243. These are Monarchs. Shooting about 50 yards, doing deep penetration, and we're going to see what we got. Alright, here we go. Deep penetration between the 243 and the 6.5 Grendel. Alright, so here we go. Let's check out the holes. 243 is already opened up monstrosity. That's the 6.5 Grendel. That's the 243. Within the first board, we're already at 3.3. I can't even get that in there. Second board, finally opening up on the 6.5 Grendel. 243 is doing its thing. Got a huge split going on. Third board. Check out that little shockwave going through there. The 243 is doing some damage. Ripping up. Little bullet. Definitely got some thump behind it. Look at the hole getting bigger. Right there, a reference for y'all. See if I can do this without it. That's a guesstimate. Don't hold it to it because I don't have it squished together. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth board. 243. Yeah, 243 is still cooking. Look at that. There's your 243 going through. There's the 6.5 Grendel blasting through. Yeah, fifth board. Oh, check that out. You got the 243 making the ding. It tried to hang in there. And there you go. Oop, and part of the lid. Bullet right there. That is pretty cool. What the hell? We're going to measure it. You got your choice. Do you want narrow? 243? Or do you want wide? Wide? Narrow. So there you go. There's a 243 into the fifth one. 6.5 Grendel. Still doing the deal. And we are in and out of the 6.5 Grendel. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boards going in and out. Shaking and baking. And this is what was left of that fabulous bullet from the 6.5 Grendel. That is pretty cool. Casing actually held up really well. Alright, here we go. 6.5 Grendel. Let's see what we got. Got 3.5. So there you are. That's left of the lid. Oops, that was left of the lid. So there you go, 6.5 Grendel for the win over a 243. I bet a lot of you thought the 243 was going to spank that ass. I did.